practical irfan. Practical irfan, on the other hand, lays the foundation on how to practically discover Allah. What actions can I do to find Allah, to discover Allah? So theoretical irfan says, know this and this and this and this. This will help you in understanding God. Practical irfan says, do this and this and this. When you do this, you will better know Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Through practice, through rituals, through changing habits. So this class is all about applying. You have to, everything you learn in this class, you have to put it in teaching. If you don't, you're wasting your time. You're completely wasting your time because it's called practical irfan. The only benefit of it is if you put it in practice. Just knowing it will not help. Yes, theoretical irfan, knowing it will help, just knowing it. But practical irfan is useless if you don't want to change your habits, if you don't want to do certain new rituals, you don't want to introduce new rituals in your life, if you don't want to practice what we teach here. It's going to be a complete waste of time. I have to be motivated and ready to apply these teachings. This is what practical irfan is. It's like you go to the gym and you just want to sit lazy and listen. Why are you here? He'll tell you. The gym is to work out. If you want to watch a nice movie of a workout, sit home and watch YouTube. They have so many nice workouts. When you're at the gym, that means you're ready to jump and move and burn those calories. This is what we are here to do in practical irfan. You want to burn those calories, but those spiritual calories, those obstacles that are hindering our spiritual progress, that are preventing us from reaching Allah, that are disconnecting us from Allah. This is what we're here. And there's going to be practice that we have to do. It's not just, oh, I attended the lesson, I did practical irfan. No way. You have to apply them. The more you apply them, the more successful you are in practical irfan. So this is a class that is entirely dependent and revolves around your will and motivation to put it into practice. This is what practical irfan is. This is our class. So it's all about purifying your nafs, building your spirituality. Teaches you step by step how to recognize Allah, how to know Him, how to build a relationship with Him, how to ascend the levels of spirituality. There's levels of spirituality between us and Allah. So both theoretical and practical irfan set out to discover Allah, but one through theoretical arguments and knowledge, and the other one through practice. But the goal, the end of the day, is one.